Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Tag Manager for UI tracking and experiments, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, go to the Google Tag Manager website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the Start for Free button. Once logged in, select Create Account in the dashboard. Enter your account name and the country where your business is located. Next, provide a container name that represents your website or app. Choose the type of container, either web, iOS, Android, or AMP. Click Create to generate the container, and agree to the terms of service. You will receive installation instructions for the Google Tag Manager code snippet. Copy the provided code for the head section of your website. Paste the code into your website's HTML before the closing /head tag. Now, copy the code for the body section and place it right after the opening body tag. Once you have added both snippets, return to Google Tag Manager and click on OK. Click on Tags in the left-hand menu and then select New. Name your tag something meaningful, like UI Tracking. Click on Tag Configuration and choose Google Analytics, Universal Analytics. In the Track Type drop-down menu, select Event. Fill in the event fields, category, action, and label with relevant values. Set the non-interaction hit to true if you don't want this event to affect your bounce rate. Next, scroll down to Triggering and click to add a new trigger. Choose All Pages to track UI interactions across your entire site. After you configure the tag and trigger, click Save. Now, it's time to test your setup. Click on the Preview button in the top right corner of Google Tag Manager. This will open a new tab where you can enter the URL of your website. Once your website loads, you will see the Tag Assistant console at the bottom. Navigate through your site and trigger the UI events you've set up. Check the console to see if the tags are firing correctly. If everything looks good, go back to your Google Tag Manager dashboard. Click Submit to publish your changes. In the submission dialog, provide a note about the changes you made and click Publish. Your Google Tag Manager is now activated for UI tracking and experiments. To set up experiments, return to the Tags section and click New. Create a new tag for your desired experiment tool, like Google Optimize. Configure this tag following the same steps, ensuring you link it to your current container. Once complete, repeat the testing and publishing process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.